present to you the hottest piece of property right in the city of Port Harcourt, selling out really fast. This property is seated at the center of Port Harcourt, right here at Air Force, sharing neighborhood with the Python Golf Course, the Port Harcourt Pleasure Park, the Obiwale Cultural Event Center. This property is actually behind the Obiwale Cultural Event Center. It is seated just opposite the Naf Harmony Estate, the #1 estate in Port Harcourt. From here to Stadium Road is a mini drive. Guys, look at the location where you have your property. Look at the vicinity. It is such an amazing location, right? I present to you the Nook Apartments, a development by Crips. It is a 10 units of contemporary 4-bedroom detached duplexes coming fully finished. Both exterior and interior is going to have all the modern features you've ever dreamed of in a home. We have just 3 units left. I encourage you to send a DM right now to own some units in this very apartment. Come, let's go right inside. So here is how far we've come in developing these 10 units right opposite the Naf Estate we call the Nook. Now here is the inside. On the entrance you see the guest toilet, then you see this waiting room. Now here is the sitting room. It's quite spacious. So here takes you to another door. So here you have the kitchen. It is going to come fully finished. All the kitchen cabinetries, the toilet fittings, everything is going to be there. So downstairs you have one room. Then here is the staircase taking you upstairs. So here we have the lounge, like the second sitting area. From the balcony, you can view your neighbors and the beautiful estate. So here on this first floor, you have 3 rooms. They are all ensuite. Now from your window, you'll be able to sight your beautiful neighborhood. So here is how we started. This was the look of Nook few months ago. This project is less than 6 months. Okay, and this beautiful video you are seeing, this was how we started. Okay, so here the developer is known to do good works, and this project is going to be amazing at completion. Remember, we have 3 units left only. So here is a 3D of how it is going to look like at completion. Sure, you love what you see. Now this is a major road, and this estate is seated in an estate, so it has major security. It has all the features you are looking for. Here you can own any of these 3 units left, so just send a DM right now and you can make a deposit. We have flexible payment plans. Do not miss the Nook apartment. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Send a DM right now. Subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. Remember, it is only in Ellehousing you get the premium luxury. It is premium. So send a DM right now.